Welcome to Smartjobcosult, the ultimate destination for entrepreneurs seeking personalized guidance and expert advice to thrive in their business ventures. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just embarking on your entrepreneurial journey, Smartjobcosult is here to support you every step of the way. Our comprehensive range of services include budget planning. We understand that every entrepreneur has a unique vision and set of goals, which is why we offer customized solutions that cater to your specific needs. We pride ourselves on our experienced team of consultants who bring a wealth of knowledge from various industries. They are dedicated to providing actionable insights and effective strategies that can help you overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and drive your business forward. As part of our shops provide the perfect platform to connect, share ideas, and learn from each other. We believe that success is best achieved through collaboration and mutual support. Joining Smartjobcosult means becoming part of a dynamic ecosystem designed to fuel your entrepreneurial spirit. Whether you need help refining your business plan, navigating the complexities of funding, or scaling your operations, we've got you covered. Don't let uncertainty hold you back. Discover the power of expert consulting and take your business to new heights. Visit us to help you succeed, because your success is our mission. For more information, visit smartjobcosult.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information. See you in the next video.